Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock Pet Shard Royal Jelly in Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You can go to the Royal Jelly shop and then you can buy the Pet Shard Royal Jelly from here. This is one of the things or the items from this shop. And this Pet Shard Royal Jelly can turn your pet into royal jelly pet. But I haven't unlocked this item yet, guys, so I still need to wait until this item is restocked in this royal jelly shop. But I think it's worth. I think it can turn your pet into a purple pet because royal jelly has purple color. And okay, guys, that's how you can get the Pet Shard Royal Jelly and Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.